Welcome to How to Garden. Today we are going to make small batch biochar. Here I have built a small hardwood fire. It should be noted that this is not the same as commercial biochar. Most commercial biochar is made in an airless kiln system at high heat, creating a finer carbon matrix. However, for my purposes, this works fine. Quench the fire before it burns all the way down. Gather the charcoal and set aside. Interesting quality that is useful for gardening is that biochar holds 10 times its weight in water, which makes it very useful in sand-based soil. Other properties of biochar are that it keeps your NPK in your soil and not in the waterways. It also gives fungus and microbes a place to retreat to in harsh times. You want charcoal like this, not charcoal briquettes. Next, I make an easy compost tea. Add 1.5 shovelfuls of compost. This was almost done, but still a little chunky. I added a little coffee, and the stuff in the jar is kitchen scraps that I forgot about and fully composted down. I also add some kind of sugar. This is white sugar. Any kind of sugar will do. A lot of people like to use molasses. I've used an old Coke and it worked just fine. Just make sure you add sugar. Next, add water. It should be rainwater or well water. Don't use city water. Stir well and put away from the house. It smells. My bucket sprung a leak and I had to change buckets. Stir a couple times a day. It will foam up as it brews. Do this at least for a week. I made a little more than I needed. Add charcoal to the compost tea and let it sit for about a week. Then you can use it. The extra compost tea I watered down 4 to 1 and gave it to some fruit trees. Made them very happy. This is what the coal looks like after it has soaked up the tea for a week. It is now biochar. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.